So we must now continue from where we stopped in part 31. In part 31, we stopped at question 50, and in this part 32, let's proceed. This is part 32 of the expo questions and past questions and answer I'm giving you on use of English for you, those of you that are very serious about writing JAMB and passing. Choose the option nearest in meaning. Pay attention, nearest in meaning to the underlined word. This we are starting with nearest in meaning. Choose the option that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Question 51. A political impasse does not offer the best opportunity for merrymaking. A political impasse, remember, underline impasse, and we are looking at nearest in meaning. A political impasse does not offer the best opportunity for merrymaking. A. Manifesto. B. Party. C. Gridlock. D. Rally. A political impasse does not offer the best opportunity for merrymaking. Is it the nearest in meaning of impasse? Is it manifesto? Is it party? Is it gridlock? Is it rally? The answer is a political impasse does not offer the best opportunity for merrymaking. The answer is gridlock. Nearest meaning of impasse. That means things are not really working out very well. Okay? Now, question 52. We are all enthusiastic as we awaited the result of the election. We were all enthusiastic as we awaited the result of the election. We were all enthusiastic as we awaited the result of the election. What is the answer? What is the answer? Is it similar in meaning? No, that's nearest in meaning. Is it bemused or is it agitated? Is it elated? Is it nervous? We were all enthusiastic as we awaited the result of the election. Is it bemused? Is it agitated? Is it elated? Is it nervous? The answer is we were all agitated. The uniform makes the guards look absurd. The uniform makes the guards look absurd. A. Nearest meaning of absurd. Is it dirty? Is it smart? Is it sensible? Is it ridiculous? For something that looks absurd is the same thing as something that looks ridiculous. So the answer to 53 is ridiculous. I've often encouraged you, whenever I am teaching in this channel, to pay attention. I don't know where you are watching from, but I want you to avoid any form of distraction. Anybody, anything distracting you now is your enemy. Run away from distraction. Pay attention. Let's proceed. The law is often tardy in reacting to charging. Okay, the law is often tardy in reacting to changing attitude. The law is often tardy. So when we say tardy, the nearest meaning or similar meaning of tardy is what? The law is often tardy in reacting to changing attitude. A. Quick. B. Slow. C. Exclusive. D. Generous. The nearest meaning, that is synonym of tardy, is slow. Slow. I want you to note this because what we are giving you are things we already see could come out in your exam. Even if they don't come out exactly this way, JAMB knows how they twist their questions. But the more you watch the videos, this is what you are watching now is part 32. We started from part 1, part 2, part 3 until part 32. So if you want me to give you access, if I were you, I would start from part 1 and watch everything in part 1, go to part 2, watch all the answers and questions in part 2 until I am back to this question, part 32. Then after part 32, there is also part 33, part 34, and all the rest. So if you want me to give you access to all of the videos we have done on use of English, just tell me. If I've not given it to you and you need it, if you know you will not play with it, that if I give it to you, you will sit down and study. Ask me and I could give it to you. Okay, let's proceed. Are you here? Asa and Ilu ate sumptuous meals in their brother's wedding day. Asa and Ilu ate sumptuous meals on their brother's wedding day. We remember we're looking at synonyms. A. Expensive. B. Foreign. C. Insipid. D. Cheap. Asa and Ilu ate sumptuous meals in their brother's wedding day. The synonym, similar meaning of sumptuous, is it expensive, is it foreign, is it insipid, or is it cheap? I won't answer question 55. I want you to attempt to tell me what you think is the answer to question 55. We proceed. Remember, anytime I give an assignment, don't jump it. We are studying. So tell me what you think is the answer to question 55. Similar meaning of sumptuous. Is it expensive? Is it foreign? Is it insipid? Or is it cheap? We now move on. By the way, I can give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions for those of you that are serious. If you are serious, you can receive free JAMB syllables from me and free JAMB syllables. But that is for those that watch this particular video from now till the end. If you can watch this very video from now till the end, you will qualify to receive free JAMB syllables from me and JAMB past questions. Okay. Question 56. Kartume crouched over the papers on her desk. Kartume crouched over the papers on her desk. Similar meaning of crouched. A. Wrote on. B. Stood on. C. Walked on. D. Bent over. Kartume crouched over the papers on her desk. The similar in meaning of crouched is bent over. She bent over maybe she just bent over to sleep or to take a nap. Right? Write it down and note it. Let's look at this question. The panacea of a country's economic mess lies in the systematic planning and hard work. And the one in italics is panacea. And we're looking at similar meaning. The panacea for a country's economic mess lies in the systematic planning and hard work. A. Similar meaning of panacea. Is it cure? Or is it foresight? Or is it hope? Or is it trouble? The panacea means cure. Another word for panacea is cure. I hope you are following. If you are learning, if you are following, tell me, say, I am following. If you want me to keep on going, tell me, right on, sir. Say, right on, sir. Thousands of workers have been victims of retrenchment since the military came back to power. God forbid, though. We don't want military back for now, at least. Thousands of workers have been victims of retrenchment since the military came back to power. A. And we are looking at similar meaning of retrenchment. A. Unemployment. B. Trench mentality. C. Suffering. D. Increase in penury. Thousands of workers have been victims of retrenchment since the military came back to power. The answer, the similar in meaning, the synonym of retrenchment is unemployment. That means they were sacked. They became unemployed. Okay? We now proceed. Recall that at the end of this video, you will qualify to receive free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. Also, I need you to know that beyond use of English, we have done videos on biology, a lot of videos on chemistry, a lot of videos on physics, a lot on economics, government, literature, mathematics, and all the rest. If you are writing any of those subjects and you would want me to give you access to all of the videos we have done on that particular subject, just tell me in the comment section and I could give them to you. Question 59. The principal gave his speech offhand at the sports meeting. Let me also teach. You don't say off-head. If you say he gave his speech or I can recite the national anthem off-head, it means you are mad, right? Off-head means madness, but offhand means something different. The principal gave his speech offhand at the sports meeting. What does it mean? Similar meaning of offhand. A. Calmly. B. Beautifully. C. Unconcerned. D. Unprepared. The principal gave his speech offhand at the sports meeting. It means he gave his speech calmly. Question 60. Let's move on. Jankole was dressed in an old assortment of clothes. Jankole was dressed in an old assortment of clothes. Similar meaning of assortment. Pay attention. Pay attention. A. Similar meaning of assortment. A. Avalanche. B. Homogeneity. C. Sameness. D. Melange. And the answer is D. Melange. I've always advised you to, whenever we encounter a strange word, go over to your dictionary and find out the meaning. So I'm giving you an assignment now. Go over to your dictionary and find the meaning, and then you can type out the meaning for us in the comment section. These four words, I'm sure many of you might not know the meaning of them. Avalanche, tell me the meaning. Homogeneity, tell me the meaning. Sameness, no, leave sameness. Everybody knows sameness. Then melange, tell me the meaning in the comment section. Don't jump and pass. If you're a serious member of this channel, you already know that our assignment is a preparation for, there's something we know about the exam that makes us to give you particular assignments. So tell me what you think is the answer. The director's remark, this is question 61. The director's remark was extremely opposite to the shrine. The director's remark was extremely opposite to the shrine. So when we say opposite, what do we mean? Also tell me the meaning. Now, similar meaning of opposite, extremely opposite to the shrine. A. Collected. B. Overwhelmed. C. Embarrassed. D. Astonished. 61. The answer is D. Astonished. The director's remark was extremely opposite. Okay, I think there is a mistake in question 61. Okay, let's move on to question 62. The director's remark was extremely opposite to the issue being discussed. The director's remarks was extremely opposite to that means they were talking one thing, director was talking something. Just like some of our politicians will do. The country will be suffering on one side and they will be doing something entirely different, but we forgive them. The director's remark was extremely opposite to the issue being discussed. So the similar meaning of opposite, is it A. Appropriate. B. Inconsequential. C. Emphatic. D. Adequate. The director's remark was extremely opposite to the issue being discussed. Similar in meaning of opposite to the issue has to be what? It has to be inconsequential. B. Inconsequential. It's extremely inconsequential. That is, it's not even related to the issue at all. Okay? Just like the House of the Senate, Nigerian Senate, they will, instead of tackling the real issues facing the country, they'll be talking something very, very inconsequential to the situations of the nation. But we forgive them, don't we? Don't we? Okay, 63. Her reputation is without a blemish. Remember, we are saying on similar meaning, so don't forget. Her reputation is without a blemish. A. Struggle. B. Problem. C. Fault. D. Blessing. The answer is, of course, her reputation is without a blemish. The answer is, her reputation is without a fault. Similar meaning of blemish is what? Fault. Ugo is eligible for the post of secretary. Ugo is eligible for the post of secretary. What is the answer to question 64? Is it A. Nominated. B. Invited. C. Qualified. D. Intelligent. Ugo is eligible for the post of secretary. A. Nominated. B. Invited. C. Qualified. D. Intelligent. So when we say somebody is eligible, similar in meaning. Is it nominated? Is it invited? Is it qualified? Or is it intelligent? I won't tell you the answer of question 64. Tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section as we proceed. This is an abridged version of no longer at ease. Who can tell me? You looking at me. Who can tell me the author of no longer at ease? Who can tell me the author of no longer at ease? Tell us in the comment section. This is an abridged version of no longer at ease, and we are talking about similar meaning of abridged. A. A. Outdated. B. Enlarged. C. Illustrated. D. Shortened. Of course, you know the answer is, when they say something is abridged, it means that version is shortened. It's not the full version. Many big books have a shortened versions. Okay, let's continue with question 66. And in question 66, from question 66 downwards, choose the option that best completes the gap. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Okay. Lemoti dash as a painter but also as a sculptor. Lemoti dash as a painter but also as a sculptor. A. Is gifted only not as a painter but also a sculptor. B. Is only not gifted as a painter. C. Is gifted not only as a painter but as a sculptor. D. Is only gifted as a painter but as a sculptor. What do you think is the answer? In part 33 of this series, we will continue from question 66. Right now, to receive the free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, and if you want me to send you the link to the other videos, what you need to do is number one, there are 4 things you have to do. Number 1 is very compulsory. Number 1 is join our YouTube channel. If you have not joined, go ahead and join right now. Click on join. It's a must. It's compulsory. When you join, you will be able to speak with me directly, chat me up, talk to me, ask your questions, and seek guidance. I and my team will keep guiding you. So go ahead, take that bold step and join. Number 2, when you join, number 2 is to like this video. Click on like. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share this video here on YouTube. Click on share again. Copy the link of this video. Share it on WhatsApp groups. Share it to your friends. All other candidates writing this exam. Share it on Facebook groups for JAMB candidates. Share it on Telegram groups, on Twitter, on Instagram. Share it to your family and friends, even your enemies. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Remember, answer the assignments I gave. Number 2, join our YouTube channel. That is the main, the compulsory one. Then like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under the comment of this video and type, I have subscribed, sir. Once you type I have subscribed, sir, I will chat you up and send you all those materials I promise. For you to there is a very important video on the screen. Click on it. Very, very important. I'm giving it to you free. Click on it and watch now.